Here are more eBay packages in Boston now. I got the shipping labels off of each of everyone. So let's move on to the small package first. I'll make this quick. Here's some rubber feet for the amplifier that's in this box that I'm about to use soon. So I won't scratch up my other audio equipment. There's some speaker wire. It's good. Some random speaker wire. Don't need to unbox it more. Oh wait, I'll just pause. It's just a 100-foot speaker wire. It should fit. It's made by FTA Electronics Enterprise. Now the best thing that I got so far is this. Oh, this isn't a package. I'll properly bubble wrap. QSC SPA4-100 100-watt per channel amplifier. Looks like it's going fair shape. Hope it works. Really hope it works. It just scratches. Shouldn't affect the quality or anything. Of course I got it used. But I expect it to work. Very nice quality. So this one has 4 channels, unlike the one I got back in 2023, and that one was only 60 watts per channel. This one will be more than enough. Plus, turning it up all the way, it's just not good for the speakers. It's the clips. These amplifiers do still clip like the Dayton Audio amp, but it's not as bad as like my Sony receiver or the Anchor speakers I have. It's just similar to the Dayton Audio amp, the distortion and stuff. But it'll be loud enough for what I need it to do and stuff. It provides 100 watts. Plus the ELAC speakers still have at least 87 dB at 1 watt for its efficiency. I'm definitely not going to use the remote port. I'm definitely going to use at least 2 channels. More likely for it if I get more speakers. I can spit it at like the 12 o'clock position if it's like, but if it's not loud enough, I can turn it up louder. It really only clips like past like 5 or whatever, but it's a good amp, not bad. So yeah. Definitely not a scratch with my Sony receiver over there, but it works. I don't see the scratches at all. Doesn't really matter too much. If it works, then it's good. So yeah, this is it. Thanks for watching.